Welcome to my channel. If you haven't clicked the red button yet, please do so now. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friends.
It was another exhilarating night at the Monster Jam Arena, with some of the world's greatest drivers competing for the coveted trophy. The crowd was on their feet, cheering on their favorite trucks as they went head-to-head in a series of heart-pumping races and freestyle events. But then, in the midst of all the action, something unexpected happened. One of the trucks, the mighty Grave Digger, took a jump a little too aggressively and went flying through the air, spinning out of control. The audience gasped as Grave Digger crashed to the ground, its body crumpling under the impact. It looked like the truck was done for, and everyone held their breath as the driver, Max D, emerged from the wreckage. But then, in a display of true heroism, another driver, El Toro Loco, came to the rescue. With lightning-fast reflexes, El Toro Loco pushed Grave Digger out of harm's way just as another truck came barreling towards it. The crowd erupted in cheers as the two trucks collided, sending a shower of sparks flying into the air. But thanks to El Toro Loco's quick thinking, Grave Digger was saved from certain destruction. The crowd erupted in cheers as the two trucks collided, sending a shower of sparks. The drivers emerged from their trucks, adrenaline pumping through their veins as they embraced each other flying into the air. But thanks to El Toro Loco's quick thinking, Grave Digger was saved from certain destruction. And with that, the show went on, with Grave Digger back in action and the fans cheering on their favorite trucks more passionately than ever before.
Thank you for watching. We appreciate your support and hope you enjoyed the show. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting content. See you next time.